Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling voice in Roblox and giving your system permission. Open Roblox settings, go to privacy, and toggle voice chat on. You need a verified account if prompted. Once done, open your operating system's microphone permissions and make sure Roblox is allowed. Then pick a good input device. A headset with a boom mic is best, and set it as the default in sound settings so Roblox uses the cleanest source. Now optimize volume levels and apply gentle processing. In your OS sound settings, raise the microphone input to around 80 to 100% and use a plus 10 dB boost only if clipping doesn't occur. In Roblox, find the in-game voice slider and nudge it up. Test inside a private server to hear the change. If you still sound quiet, run your mic through an equalizer or VoIP app to add gain, and finish by verifying the whole chain from mic to network. You should test with a friend to confirm they hear you clearly and decide whether push-to-talk or open mic works better. Push-to-talk often prevents gating. If volume stays low, update audio drivers, try a different cable or headset, and disable exclusive mode in advanced sound settings. If issues persist, check for background apps grabbing audio or network jitter. Switching to a wired connection often stabilizes voice volume and quality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.